anything is possible, anything can be.
Hi, so today we count down 22 days to PSLE. Let's read the question. Melody had $200 more than Rena. She gave 40% of her money to Rena. Rena then gave 25% of her money back to Melody. In the end, Rena had $68 more than Melody. So how much did Rena give Melody? Okay, so we're going to list down the information for Melody and Rena. So Melody had $200 more than Rena. So if Rena is 100%, Melody would be 100% plus $200. So the first thing they tell us is that she gave 40% of her money to Rena. So we need to find out what's 40% of Melody. So 40% of Melody of the $200 will be $80. So we're going to have to take that away from Melody. So Melody 40% plus another 40% of that $200, which is $80. This whole chunk goes over to Rena. Okay, so over at Rena's side, we're going to plus 40% and $80. So I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to tally what they have after this step. Melody would be left with 60% and $120. And as for Rena, she would have 140% plus $80. Next step. Now Rena is now going to give 25% of her money back to Melody. So which means we need to find out what is 25% of Rena. So what's 25% of 140%? That's 35%. And we also need to find out what is 25% of the $80 that Rena has now. That will give us $20. So this is what we need to minus from Rena's side. So take away 35% and we take away the $20. And this whole chunk goes over to Melody. So over to Melody, we plus 35% and we plus $20. So once again, draw a line. Okay, we're going to tally how much each of them has. Melody would now have 95% and $140. As for Rena, she would now have 105% and $60. So in the end, the question tells us that Rena had $68 more than Melody. Now I'm going to have to form an equation with what they have left in order to solve. Okay. Now, since Rena had $68 more than Melody, in order for them to be equal, remember I said I need to form an equation, right? Equal. Both sides needs to be equal. So how do I make them equal? Melody, I need to plus 68. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Melody, that's what she had left. I'm going to add $68 to her side so that she will be equals to what Rena has. Right now, I'm going to have to simplify the equation. I add up the dollars. So that's 95% plus $208 equals to 105% plus $60. So it tells us that the 10%, 105% minus 95%, gives us $208 minus $60, which is $148. So we can find out what's 1% by dividing. So 1% would be $14.80. So the question wants us to find out how much did Rena give Melody, which is that part there, 35% plus $20. So we just need to find out what is 35%. That's $518. And remember to add the $20. So that's a total of $538. And that's the answer. So I'll see you tomorrow.